Welcome you my YouTube channel. Today my topic is 8 reason why India will rule the world in 2050. 8 ऐसे कारण हैं जिसके कारण इंडिया वर्ल्ड को लीड कर सकता है 2050 में। पूरी वीडियो देखें, सब्सक्राइब माई यूट्यूब चैनल। और पूरी वीडियो देखने के बाद कोई सजेशन आप चाहते हैं, कोई आपकी तरफ से कोई सजेशन है तो आप दे सकते हैं। कोई नई वीडियो है उसके लिए भी आप सजेशन कमेंट बॉक्स में डाल सकते हैं। एज यू नो फ्रेंड्स, 3 centuries ago Britain leading the world. In 19th century, after World War II, nobody know about America lead the world. So now I'll give you some countries name or earlier time. Well, dominance country name USA, Russia, now China. Now I'll give you one country name, that is India. India lead the country, lead the world by 2050 due to their economic growth. So I will give you, this is my suggestion, this is my idea after some points analysis, these 8 point analysis, then you can say it can change, it can lead the nation by 2050. India have a capability for that, for doing that. First point is the army. Army second largest army of the world, and India is rising their aircraft, weapons for furnishing their army. Second is the nuclear power. World top 9 nuclear power nation. India is one of them. Third is a high economic growth. India have very high economic growth year on year. 7% is the GDP growth rate year on year, around 7%. Fourth point is scale employment or employment. Employment means if any country leading the world, they have a capability for generate employment for their people, citizens. If 500 million people going on unemployment, so India have a capability for generate employment for their various dominant sector, just like agriculture, retail, logistics, PSU sector, public sector units, and information technology sector, cinema sector. Cinema is a rising job employment in India right now, 2020. Huge employment generate industry, cinema industry. Population, huge population in India. Year on year growth 9.2%. Year on year population growth, while China population is very less than 9.2%. So by this point, India can take over China population by 2050, and India lead the world by population also and by economy also by 2050. Sixth point is information technology and traditional business, traditional industrial growth in India. If we talking about information technology hub, Silicon Valley, California, in same things, same technology hub well organized in India as a Bangalore city, and Bangalore is larger than California as a Silicon Valley hub or information technology hub. Now we are talking about Indian cinema. Cinema film production, highest film production, highest top film, world top film industry. Number 1 film industry, those who are producing 1000 movies every year. So these are Mumbai. that is in Mumbai. So it can lead the nation also. India also generating huge employment. Then government also. Then PSU. So these are 7th point is the freedom. Freedom is a major point for India development. China not a democratic country. And 8 points is a underdog. India is a struggling country. So if you talk about old countries or earlier countries, developed countries, these are underdog countries. UAE, all these things, Qatar, these are underdog countries. Those are struggling, and those when they are struggling for their livelihood, they are come over their hurdles and lead the nation and become a top leading country, developed country. These are major points which can beneficial for India, and it can lead by 2050 all over the country, all over the world. And you can see this example by 2050.